Sadness began to creep in me at Mall 101, but it didn't last for even a minute as we were having fun. But as each day passed by, closer to your dreams, back to Laramie, the more I realized that I'll be missing you again. I'll be waiting for the next time when you come and visit me. For days I retrieved the shirts that I wore on those dreaded days, 'cause somehow I still feel to the bone the warmth of your embrace. And I would rather sleep on the blue sofa or on the bed in your room. Can we play chess game or have another stage play day? I'll be longing for the day when you cling back on my arms. I used to hear you sing in the bathroom. I used to see you open the door for me. Walk on Marianne with me. I used to meet you every Sunday, call your name and you open the gate for me and have dinner with me. The day when you were still young, I held you both in my arms, drive you to school and carry your bags on the way back home. Now I walk alone with memories of those years that has gone by, wishing and hoping that someday, wishing and hoping that one day this journey leads me back to